Before you do anything to your lawn this spring, you need to deal with this. As you can see, these winter weeds are already growing in the lawn as of now, and if you don't take care of them now, they're going to take your lawn over before the season even starts. In today's video, I'm going to show you what these winter weeds are, how to identify these weeds, and how to take care of them so they don't show up this season. These winter annual weeds are weeds that actually germinate in the fall, they survive the winter time, and then they have explosive growth right here in the springtime. That's why right now, your lawn might still be dormant or look dead, but the weeds are actually green and they're already starting to grow in and they're thriving. All right, let's go find some weeds. Our hairy bittercress right here. As we can see right here, we're kneeling down, and this is actually going to be our hairy bittercress. This is one of the main winter annuals that a lot of people see in your yard, and you're going to be able to tell because they're a little bunchy weed with small leaflets, and they usually shoot up a white flower. And it's actually kind of cool. These weeds have seeds on them, and when you get near them or touch them, the seeds actually explode out and they shoot out everywhere, and that's when they seed, and they'll slowly germinate the following fall. This is henbit right here. It has larger leaves than the bittercress, and it'll slowly kind of grow in and take over as well, about the size of your hand. Last but not least, we have chickweed right here. This one can be often misinterpreted for hairy bittercress, but a lot of times this one grows lower to the ground. So it's gonna be way lower to the ground. It'll still shoot up a white flower though once it kind of gets into more springtime. And again, all these are broadleaf winter annual weeds that you're gonna see this spring if you don't take care of them now. These weeds have a head start on your grass now, and if you let them, they'll steal nutrients, sunlight, space, and cause problems for you all season long. Winter weeds aren't just ugly. They'll actually make your lawn weaker long term. A lot of these weeds are actually going to compete for nutrients against your good grass that's still dormant. The next thing they're going to do is they're also going to steal a lot of sunlight and space in the lawn for your new spring grass that's going to pop up. The last thing is they're going to overseed themselves as well. So if you don't take care of them, you're going to be dealing with them all season long, even into next season. How to kill these winter annual weeds? A lot of times you're going to have to use a post-emergent herbicide. With this post-emergent herbicide, you want to look for something that is called broadleaf weed control, because a lot of these weeds classified as broadleaf weeds. The second thing you want to make sure is that you're applying it at the right time and temperature. Sometimes when you get it too early, it may not work. So you want to make sure you have consistent temperatures above 50 degrees before you start spraying. The next thing with spraying a broadleaf weed control is you want to spot treat. You don't want to overdo it. It's unnecessary to blanket spray your lawn for weeds when you only have a few here and there. So you actually want to spot treat those for more targeted, accurate control. Overapplying can actually stress your lawn out. It could cause long-term issues. So that's why spot treating can be better in early spring. The best time to treat those annual winter weeds is right now. We don't want them maturing and throwing their seed heads everywhere. Once they're able to develop those seed heads, they're going to be throwing those seeds around, and then you're going to have to deal with the next thing all fall into spring all over again. So the time to get them is now. So you don't always want to focus on killing them, but actually preventing them. Killing weeds is a good thing for your lawn, but keeping them from coming back is where the real magic happens. You can prevent them by proper fertilization at the right intervals, having a nice, thick, healthy lawn, and sometimes overseeding if necessary, and also applying pre-emergence at the right time. A healthy lawn is your best defense against any weeds, especially those early spring ones. Here are some of the biggest mistakes we see when people are spraying their lawns for weeds. Waiting too long to spray them. You could be using the wrong product, so improper identification of the weed. You're waiting too long to spray them or thinking they're just gonna go away on their own, and not following up your applications with a proper lawn care plan. Weeds don't usually fix themselves, they actually multiply. If you're seeing weeds already popping up in your lawn this spring, now is the time to act and hopefully prevent them all season long. If you're right here in West Michigan, please like, follow our page, subscribe. Reach out to us if you need help with your lawn this spring. We'd love to come out and help you out. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you later.